It has been shown that our emotions have a vibratory frequency to them. Fear has a long and slow frequency vibration to it, while love has a very rapid and high frequency. When vibrations of sound are passed through a form of media, there is a set pattern that will follow. When the frequency increases, the media develops into a more complex pattern.
Rhythm like ballin' with prosthetics, it's hard to catch it. I'm largely affected by the initial cause of kinetics. Charging my flesh is nuclear, I'm a particle vex. Illuminate these bars and direct pulses dart to your chest. You get cardiac arrest and your heart to regret will build up like multi-charges of debt and bombard you to death. You wanna spar with the best? And pardon me, check Job 9:16 out before you start your request. I'm a martyr, right alongside the margin of next millennia. Right compedentia is the truth through this art I express. My academia is linear, apart from the rest. Been blessed, entering in cars through cassettes. And yes, I serve the most high, regardless of stress. And keep my frequency higher than binaurals could get. Correct iniquities with love, judge with honor, respect. And let the truth remain righteous till karma forgets. I flex his armor for the charmers. Carnal minds dropping farther than the anchor in the harbor, cause they aren't the elect. Suppress my ardor, it gets harsher. I'm an archer, collecting knowledge, just departure. Like when an automatic cartridge eject, I digress. The illusion of freedom, we on recess. Pretext after pretext, heathens don't follow precepts. Rejects think we weak at our power, assume the reflex. Shower you with some heat, devour you from the east, west, north and south. Your house will reveal its secrets, the revolution devout. We just getting our feet wet.
There is a switch that turns off and turns on where those coding sites lie, and that the switch for that turning off and turning on is what we call emotion. And this is the first time that we've ever seen the patterns of emotion directly physically linked to human genetic material.